So the next piece for that is once you get into the door, here's some of the challenges that I heard you guys were having, right? The seller likes the offer. You got the appointment. That's how you know they like the offer. What's our offer? How about that? What is our offer? We have offer 3 ways to sell your home in 21 days or less. That's my offer. How do I do that? You can get a cash offer, right? You can get 100% of market price guaranteed or pay me 0 commission. That's my second offer. The third offer is you can sell it yourself and get my for sale by owner checklist. Those are the 3 offers that I make that you should be making to get in the door. And when you meet in person, you should be doing the same thing as well. We repeat them. The first offer is, hey, get a cash offer on your home and close in 21 days or less. No showing, no open houses, no repairs, no hassle. marksplain.com, right? The second offer is, I guarantee to sell your house at 100% of market price, or you pay me 0 commission. 0. Oh, okay. The third piece is, somebody needs to be muted here, sounds like. The third piece here is sell it on your own, and I'll just give you my step-by-step for sale by owner checklist, right? You guys, those are the 3 offers.